What's going on, people? It's your boy PJ back once again with another video. If you haven't already checked the last video, it is of the E46, the project E46. If you haven't, click on the link at the top, get involved, let us know what you think, how we should modify it. And this video is of the second project vehicle that was vandalized or attempted theft, but we don't let things like that get in the way. Okay, this is project E46, the restoration. Let us know what you think we should do. Until then, please share, like and subscribe. I'm going to turn the video around, let you see what I'm going on about. Right, this is the E36 from the last video. As I said, if you haven't already, get involved. And this is the E46, Taz's E46 that he got but never got to finish it. But we're going to make sure it happens. We are going to make sure it gets restored. Okay, but as I said, sadly it has got vandalized. The alloy wheels have been nicked. The mudguard of all things have been stolen. The wipers of all things have been stolen. Like, come on. The BMW badge have been stolen. Wow, how low are these people? It's absolutely insane. Anyway, even the boot, look at the state of it. They've battered the boot just to get to that light. I mean, how much of a low life do we have on this planet? Far too many, clearly. Okay, just to get to one light, they completely battered that boot. Okay, luckily we have managed to secure a donor vehicle which is on its way. Until then, let me just go round the vehicle. It is a BMW 325 Msport, very low mileage, and it is slowly becoming a collector's item, which Taz knew and wanted to restore it and secure it for the future, because it is very quickly becoming a collector's item. Lovely colour as well. Let us know what you think we should do. Okay, so the project starts here right now. We have the donor vehicle that's just turned up. We're gonna make Taz proud for sure. We ain't stopping. We ain't letting these setbacks stop us. So here she is, the donor vehicle. Just unload it here. That's fine, I'll move it. Now just unload it here. Yeah. So this to that. Okay, should be interesting. That's fine. Thank you to LC Autos. Shout out going out to them. Appreciate you dropping the vehicle. Would you like a cup of tea or anything? Oh, are you sure, yeah? Cool, cool. Here she goes. And we're done. That's how we do out here. Nice one, thank you very much. Right, there you have it. The project BMW E46 has his E46 we're going to do him proud with this one, most definitely. We've already come across a dilemma though. The donor vehicle is in fact a 320 manual. Taz's one is 325 automatic. So what do you reckon we should do? I think we're going to need to do a manual conversion on this. I think we would need to do that conversion. Taz would definitely want it to be manual. Okay, we're going to go all out. Okay, transfer the gearbox and everything. Okay, let us know what you think. Okay, get involved. Once the project is finished, we got something very special for you guys to get involved with. We'll reveal it, let you guys get involved. Until then, share, like and subscribe. Please get involved. Thank you very much.